Hello, I'm Congressman Leonard Boswell, represent the 3rd District of Iowa, and want to take this opportunity this Veterans Day to say thank you. Thank you to veterans and you veterans and also your families. I got drafted myself. I went in the Army a number of years ago and I stayed for 20 years. Had a couple tours in Europe, I had a couple deployments to Vietnam. But I do know I want to thank you for what you did, and I particularly like to mention the families. The families stay behind and let people like us go off and do the job that we've been asked to do by our country. I also like to take a moment to say thank you to President Nancy Williams and AIB for what they're doing with the recorders today to record the stories of our veterans, veterans of a number of years, maybe some from even World War I, but World War II certainly, and Korea and Vietnam, Iraq, Afghanistan, and so on. Appreciate that very much, and the opportunity to have this recorded and have those stories into the Library of Congress is a very, very good thing. So thank you, veterans, for participating, and thank you, AIB, for doing this job for the veterans. So this Veterans Day, I would hope that everybody would salute their veteran, put out a hand and say thank you. Appreciate the fact that freedom's not free. We say that a lot, but it's true. It's not. And we have veterans this day, of course, deployed around the world, and we particularly think of those in Afghanistan and Iraq and other places. Thank you, veterans. God bless, and have a happy Veterans Day.